Welcome to this wonderful apartment. This is an exclusive apartment in the city center of Baku. It has got a duplex over 75 square meters. It has got a wonderful dining area. Then we have got here a sofa. This is a wonderful stairs going up to there. This is the utility area. This place also has got a wonderful large stylish bathroom. And in addition to that, we are moving upwards and we will be seeing an excellent duplex area of 20 square meters of the bathroom. This is the unique location in the Baku. In the best development in Baku, it's called Night Bridge. This is unique place, has been built only 2 years ago and currently attracting the large amount of investors. Please follow us on social media if you'd like to know more how we're discovering, exploring and working of building service accommodation business outside of London. Thank you. Greetings from Azerbaijan, Baku.